Well, you done me and you bet and I felt it. I tried to get chill, but you're so hard that I melted. I felt right through the cracks. Here now I'm trying to get back before the cool done run out, and I'll be giving it my best. But nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win the song or learn something about better. I won't hesitate no more, it cannot wait. I'm yours, and I was after about that's what today. So about to do tonight, you wanna dance? Well, open up your mind, shit like me. Open up your plans and tell me you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and inside God forsaken right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, cannot wait. I know there's no need to complicate our time. In short, this is our fate. Now you're zip, tip, 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 top of the bottom, the scratching over closer dear, and I will nibble your ear. I've been way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror, bending over backwards as I try to see it clearer. A breath fogged off the glass, and so I drew in the face. Yes, I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to read yourself on body and just go with the season. Is what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and I see like me. Just open up your plans and now you're free. And look into your heart and you'll find the sky knows our bliss. Not bliss, not bliss, not bliss. There's no need to complicate. Yes, I thought that it's short. This is our fate. I'm yours.